Hi, fifth grade. So I'm going to go over today the solutions for lesson 79 of math. So you need to have your lesson out and something to correct with. I'm going to go over the answers. So number one is 40 days, 40, same as Lent. Number two is 18 inches. Number three is $13.95, $1 decimal point 95. Number four is 40 and 400ths, written as words, FORTY space AND space FOUR space HUNDREDTHS. I'll go my book here a little bit. Number five is 3/3, 3/3. Number six, you needed to draw a square that was 1 inch on each side. The area is 1 square inch. Number seven is 1, 3. Number eight, your first fraction is 9/12. The second is 8/12. Your third fraction should be 1 and 5/12. Number nine is 4.9 centimeters. Number 10 is 7 1/5. Number 11 is 4 3/8. Number 12 is $9.90, $9, decimal point 90. Number 13 is $2.50, $2, decimal point 50. Number 14 is $5.76, $5, decimal point 76. Number 15 is 5.85, decimal point 8. Number 16 is 8.75, 8, decimal point 75. Number 17 is 728, 728. Number 18 is 6,265, remainder 4. 6, 2, 6, 5 are 4. Number 19 is 225, 225. Number 20 is 51, remainder 57, 5, 1 are 5, 7. Number 21 is 1/10, 1/10. Number 22 is 6/8, 6/8, or 3/4, 3/4. Number 23 is 15/20, 15/20, or 3/4. Number 24 is D, 350. Number 25 is 950 ice cream cones, 950. Number 26 is 5/6, 5 out of 6. Number 27 is 252, 252. Number 28 is C, 15 kilograms. Number 29 is 5.4 centimeters. And number 30, 500 milligrams is less than 1 gram. All right, those were the solutions for lesson 79 of math. And check out the next video for my explanation of lesson 80. Have a great day, guys.